Hey lovelies! Can you believe it? 2025 is almost here. But don't worry, we've still got time to glow up and slay in every part of our lives before the clock strikes midnight on December 31st. So grab your journals and your favorite drink, because today we're diving into how to be your best self before 2025. Trust me, you'll feel like the main character by the time we're done. Write your goals down. First things first, girl. Grab a cute notebook and write down your realistic goals. Keep it simple, like read 5 books, start a skincare routine, or spend more time with loved ones. And you can make it fun by adding stickers or doodles to your list. Make a vision board. Next is to make a vision board of those goals you've written down. Grab some old magazines, cute stickers, and washi tape, and design your dream life. It's like Pinterest, but in real life. And make sure to hang it somewhere you'll see it every day. Start a morning routine you love. Wake up a little earlier and create a morning routine that feels magical. Think morning stretches, your favorite playlist, and a skincare routine that makes you feel like a goddess. It's the perfect way to set the vibe for your day. Try something new before the year ends. Whether it's painting, learning to bake, or finally attempting that TikTok dance, trying something new is like a glow up for your brain. And who knows, you might find a new hobby or talent. Plus, you'll have something cool to show off during the holidays. Declutter your space and your mind. Let's talk about decluttering, because a clean room equals a clear head. Go through your closet, desk, or even your camera roll, and let go of what doesn't spark joy. Donate those clothes you haven't worn in ages and organize your desk with cute containers. Trust me, it's like giving your life a mini makeover. Romanticize your life. Turn the most basic tasks into magical moments. Light a candle while you journal, listen to soft music while cleaning, or sip tea in your prettiest mug. Life's better when you're the main character, even while folding laundry. Prioritize self-care. You can't glow up if you refuse to take care of yourself. So, take some moments to relax during the day. Take bubble baths, wear face masks, and don't forget to hydrate, queen. A little self-love goes a long way. Be kind to yourself. Stop beating yourself up for not being perfect. Celebrate the small wins, like drinking enough water or going for a run. Little things add up, babe, so you've got this. Surround yourself with positive energy. You need to surround yourself with good vibes only. Whether that's uplifting friends, inspiring books, or even mood-boosting playlists, you must protect your energy. So lovelies, those are your pre-2025 glow-up tips. It's not about being perfect. It's about making small changes and enjoying the journey. Let me know in the comments which tip you'll try first, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share this with your favorite glow-up partner. See you in my next video, bye.